Well, it's nice when you have the luxury of time. As much as I want this to be a topwater day, they're really just not wanting to play. If you're not a believer in the Nikko Hellgrammite, you need to be. We'll see if this can get it done for us. This is their new sinking Hellgrammite. Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to True North Outdoor Adventures. If you're new to the channel, my name's Corey. Welcome here. And I am out at one of my favorite creeks. It's really low. It's probably the lowest I've ever seen it. It's a little scummy on top. This creek holds some really big smallmouth. Thanks for coming along. I think we're going to do well today. They may be right. They might be hanging out right underneath all this junk here. Nope. Oh, he did have it. I lost him. Wow. That's frog fishing for you. I didn't think I had him, but I did. I never got a hook set. Missed him again. Nope, I didn't miss him. He actually had it. Probably the same fish. Nice. It's a good smallmouth. Oh, it's a real good smallmouth. Wow. All right. Hey, got it down on that frog. That's a different kind of hit. They definitely hit that different than they hit a whopper plopper style bait. Hey, thanks for playing there, buddy. Get a little underwater release in this guy. Well, that's the lure that did it right there. One gorgeous autumn smallmouth. First one of the day. Now let's see if that spot can be good to us again. I'm guessing that was the same fish that we lost initially. Oh, I think something just might have... Yep. Wow, same spot. Might be a bigger fish, actually. Oh, it's a big one. Wow. It's a real big one. I want to land this. Oh. That was a better fish. That was a better fish. Wow. Very often we catch fish out of this pool that I'm walking through right now. So we're down a good 6 to 8 inches, I'd say, here in this creek. Well, it's nice when you have the luxury of time. As much as I want this to be a topwater day, they're really just not wanting to play. If you're not a believer in the Nikko Hellgrammite, you need to be. We'll see if this can get it done for us. This is their new sinking Hellgrammite. And there we go. He picked that up off the bottom. That is a largemouth. Or is it a spot? We'll find out. It's a swirling fish. That's a largie. Yep. We will take them. All right, well, good to know they're here. We just got to wait them out. So these sinking Hellgrammites, they're a little heavier than the floating Hellgrammites, but I just fish it with a regular hook, so I don't have quite the casting distance. Even though they cast a little further than the regular ones, I don't have a weighted head. That's a different fish. Oh wow. Look at that. I'm gonna let this guy go here. I don't want to spook this pool. It's looking too potentially fishy. Well, kids, right as I released that bass into these leaves and whatnot, my camera died. Oh, he might have nosed his way into the weeds. Well, no wonder that eagle was hanging out by this pool. I'd say the Nikko's getting it done. We're just going to keep fishing it. Sometimes I don't throw the Hellgrammite just because I know it's going to work and I just want to try other stuff. But it just always works. I've only made it this far once before, and it was a few years ago. I forgot this pool was here. It was much higher than it was hard to fish. But this is a pretty big pool. For a little creek like this, anyway, this is a big pool. Yeah, here's one. Oh, hey. This will be fun just to get this one on film. Pretty little long ear. Look how long ear. Look how pretty that little guy is, hey? Just gorgeous little fish. Those things peck at me all the time. They're plentiful in here. Wow, that guy followed it in. Another largie. Yeah, I just said it feels like a largemouth pool. It is. Let's go put him in this other little pool here. This is what I tried to do on the other one. Give this other one a friend. Where'd he go? I don't mind catching a bunch of creek largemouth. Doesn't hurt my feelings at all. Yeah, this might be a rock bass, is it? Sure enough, that felt like a rock bass. Hey, we're at four species now. I don't mind that. It's a good rock bass. Get a picture of that one too. Yeah. No way. Green sunfish. Wow, 5 species. How fun is that? Greenies always give you a good time. They're aggressive. He hit that as soon as it hit the water. As soon as it hit the water. I do have a promo code if you ever go to nikkofishing.myshopify.com and enter TNOA at checkout. You'll get a discount. Is this a bluegill? No, another greenie. Let's just see what this bait does underwater, shall we? It just sinks. And I'd say it sinks at a rate of about a foot every 2 seconds. So it's very, very tantalizing, if you will. It's a very tantalizing little treat. And fish know. I mean, this is their environment. They know what looks good. They know what they want. And when they see it, oh, no way. That's crazy. Catfish bait. Snagged that one in the back. That's weird. Never had that happen before. Oh yeah, he's swimming just fine. Crazy. And the way I have this rigged, it's essentially weedless and snag free. I mean, you can get snagged, but it's very, very difficult to snag the way this is rigged. Tuck it right up in the shade there. I mean, it just looks like, you know, to a human eye, that doesn't look really like anything. It just looks kind of like a little turd floating around. It's brown. You know, it's hard to tell the difference between that and weeds to my eye. But the fish know. The fish know. Alrighty, friends, we were wading our way back. I got plenty of time still. This is the pool where I was surprised we didn't catch any before. But the difference is I've got the Nikko Hellgrammite now. So we'll see if we can put a little hurt on him. See if we can rip a lip or two. Ah, bigger greenie. Not really a big one, but maybe that's what was bugging us before. Thank you, sir. All right, we're coming back to our honey hole here. We know there's at least 2 good fish here, because I missed 2 that were better than that first one we got. They'll be here. Hopefully they'll want to snack on this Hellgrammite. I just got to stock up on them. Just got to do my part. Between here and there, we've got a really good chance of picking up 1 or 2 very nice Central Indiana Creek smallmouth. We've got an excellent chance. I just have to do my part. Okay, right about there is where we were hooking them before. Yeah. Oh, one was swimming with it. I missed him. Shoot. It's definitely a fish holding spot. There. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is a creek freak here, folks. I got a bunch of weeds in my line. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Well, this is... Oh. Man, you work your butt off and then something like that happens. I think it's closer to 19. I'll measure later exactly where it's at on my arm. Let's let her go. We'll do some underwater in this girl. Last thing I want to do is get sideways with the bank beaver. Whew.